Hi everyone, welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we are going to draw some amazing ocean animals. First, let's draw our first ocean friend. It has a long mouth and a fin on its back.
What could it be? Look and guess, guess with
What could this be? It has a long body and it loves to swim and jump. Can you guess? Yes, you got it. It's a dolphin. Now let's draw another ocean friend. It has a small body and two big claws.
What could it be? Look and
What could this be?
Guess with me.
It walks sideways and has lots of little legs. Can you guess? Yes, you got it. It's a crab. Now let's draw our next ocean friend.
Look, what do you see?
It has a big fin and a strong tail.
Look and guess, guess with
What could this be? It has a big mouth and sharp teeth. It swims very fast. Can you guess? Yes, you got it. It's a shark. Now let's start coloring. Now let's color the dolphin. Color it light blue. Nice and smooth. So pretty. Now let's color the crab. Color the back and the claws brown. Use cream on the belly and the other legs. Add some cream patterns on the claws and on the back. Great job! Now let's color the shark. Color it gray. Nice and strong. It looks cool. Great job! They look amazing! What wonderful ocean friends! Who will we meet next time? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today! See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends!